Anya was always considered the genius of her class. Since childhood, she could solve complex math problems in minutes, memorize pages upon pages of information, and win every competition she entered. Teachers often told her parents that Anya was destined for greatness. But everything changed when she entered university. The girl who once topped every exam began to fail. She started skipping classes, withdrew from her friends, and spent hours scrolling aimlessly on her phone or sitting quietly at her desk, lost in thought. People whispered, "She was so brilliant. Now look at her, wasting her potential." No one could understand how such an intelligent young woman had lost her focus. One evening, Anya met her former teacher, now an Islamic counselor. Seeing sadness in Anya's eyes, she gently asked, "My dear, when was the last time you truly felt close to Allah?" Anya fell silent. Tears began to stream down her face. She admitted that ever since starting university, she had stopped praying. The nights that used to be spent reflecting and seeking clarity were now consumed by deadlines and distractions. "I feel lost. My heart feels empty," she confessed. Her teachers smiled warmly. "Anya, your mind hasn't failed you. Your heart has grown tired. When the heart disconnects from its source, Allah, the mind loses direction too. Intelligence is not just the ability to think, it is the light Allah places in the heart. When that light dims, even the sharpest mind falters." According to Islamic psychology, a person is more than just a mind. True success comes when the heart, soul, and mind are in balance. Anya had been feeding her mind, but starving her soul. She continued to read books, yet had stopped reading the Quran. She solved complex problems, but ignored the challenges within herself. Her focus was on grades, not purpose. The result? Her brilliance burned out, her clarity turned to confusion, and her focus into fatigue. Her teacher advised, "Start reconnecting with Allah through prayer and the Quran. Serve Him and uphold His rights, not just because you must, but because your soul thirsts for it. When the heart is nourished, the mind functions properly too." Slowly, Anya began. 1 prayer a day, then 2, then 5. Gradually, she added Quran recitation and began the journey of understanding it. She practiced gratitude and reflection. There was no instant magic, but over time, the fog in her mind lifted. She noticed her memory improving, her motivation increasing, and her anxiety decreasing. What had changed? Not her IQ, but the state of her heart. Sometimes even the smartest students don't fail because they are lazy or weak. They stumble because their hearts grow empty and they rely solely on their minds. True intelligence isn't just in the brain, it is the light Allah places in the heart. When the heart is alive, the whole body thrives. The Prophet, peace be upon him, reminded us of this. If you feel your brilliance fading, don't just fix your study habits, fix your connection with Allah. A bright mind needs a living, nourished heart.